Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share you the video on how I fix my Xboxone controller. So instead of buying a new one, my joysticks is really bad on this one, on the left side joystick. So what I did was I ordered the parts from Aliexpress. It's only like less than $3 free shipping. Okay guys, so don't buy a new controller if you have basic soldering skills. Then I would say just fix it, because you're gonna save a lot of money. If you're gonna buy a new one will cost you $40 to $50 for this. And fixing it, I would say you're probably gonna spend only like less than $15 if you don't have the soldering iron, all the things that you need for fixing this. I'll put the link down the description below so you can buy your own equipment should you choose to fix your own controller. Okay, so just watch the video, and if you have questions or comment, put down on the link down the description below. So before you proceed with this DIY fixing your own control box, so you would need these tools. So I have the set of the precision screwdriver set. So I got the T9, T10, T9, T8, T7, and T6. So just so you know guys, that the Xbox One uses the one, at least the one I have, the original remote control, it uses a T9 and T6 screws. So you would need these two tools. Next is, since I already have this, I have this ZOMEI, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, soldering iron kit. So this one contains the soldering iron, the suction, the suction tool. This one guys is very useful and helpful, so I recommend, if you can get this set, just get the set. And it comes with a spare iron tool tip. The other ones are just comes with it also, the soldering lead. Comes with it too, and this one, the holder, and the tweezers, two set of tweezers. So yeah, you need these, and also I'm gonna show you the okay guys, and this is the optional soldering paste, or the flux RMA 223. I also got this one from Aliexpress. So the part is the joystick switch, or I would say I got this one from Aliexpress as well. The only downside is you have to wait for maybe, I would say, 3 weeks to a month to get the part. So if you're in a hurry to fix yours, then yeah, I would probably just get a new one. Or if you can wait, it's worth waiting for these parts. Alright, then I'm gonna show you the tearing apart part. So first we have to remove the cover, and to do that I'm gonna need this to pry it a little bit. already fixed the controller, so let's see if this works on my Xbox. So I'm gonna go to accessories, and let's do a button pressed. So left, up, down, left, right. All the keys seems to be working okay. So there you go, guys. If you have, for example, you have a broken joystick, so instead of getting a new controller, which is expensive, so try to fix it. It's not that, you know, hard to solder. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.